Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of the moment is Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav 2023. The Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav 2023 was inaugurated recently at Azad Maidan, Churchgate, Mumbai. The inauguration was done by Governor of Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari and Union Culture Minister Shri G. Kishan Reddy. The Mahotsav is being organized by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India to promote national unity and integrity through cultural exchange from 11 to 19 February. The event intends to showcase ethos of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Now let's talk about the Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav. Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav is the flagship festival of the Ministry of Culture. It has been organized since 2015 with the active participation of 7 zonal culture centers. The Mahotsav was started with an intention to exhibit the rich cultural heritage of the country. It has been playing a pivotal role to take the vibrant culture of India out to the masses instead of confining it to auditoria and galleries. Now let's have a look on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. It was launched in 2015 to promote engagement amongst the people of different states or UTs. This engagement among people intends to enhance mutual understanding and bonding between people of diverse cultures, thereby securing stronger unity and integrity of India. It is an initiative of the Ministry of Education.